What's in the box? What's in the box? Yo, what's up, all my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes? It's your boy Will, and got a box. Got a small box, but still a box. So let's check it out. I'm back in and got this box. Let's crack it open, see what it is. I have a feeling I know what it is. Hopefully I know what it is. Hopefully it's what I think it is. It's probably in the thumbnail, so you guys probably already know. So let's see. Okay, I got a bunch of stuff, fillings. And haha, yes it is. This is what I was thinking it is. Savoir Faire. There, Chris just put out 3 new fragrances, and I want to see how they are, so I ordered them. And let's see what else is in there. Nothing. Okay. Look at this. It's wrapped nicely. Okay, I see you. Stepping it up a little bit. Let's see. Savoir Faire right there. And this is tissue paper, just holding everything together. Let's see. Can I pull that apart? No, I can't pull it apart. I'm gonna have to cut it. Kind of don't want to cut it, but do what I can. Gotta do. Okay, it's nicely wrapped. I don't have to rip the paper too much because I enjoy this presentation. But to get into it, I have to wrap it. And look at that. The tissue paper even Savoir Faire. The crown for Savoir Faire. Nice, nice. Okay, here are the 3 fragrances. And let's check these out. Oh man, I'm excited about these. Savoir Faire, they're kind of becoming one of my favorite houses for fragrances because, oh man, why I can't get in there? Because they have things that smell like nothing else on the market. Like all of his fragrance, I think he has one fragrance that smells a little bit like one of the Mancera fragrances, but most of his fragrances don't smell like anything. And this one is called Oratory. Let's see if that name will come in. It's like reflective writing on there. I'm not sure if that's coming in. And I noticed now he's putting tape on the top just to hold it in place, I guess. So maybe he may have gotten some information back that the bottles were leaking or something, or they weren't twisted all the way tight. But needless to say, let's check this one out. I'm probably not going to go on skin with these, even though I know it's going to probably smell different on skin. Whoa, whoa, ooh, ooh, wow. It's fresh. It's fresh and flowers, but not flowers in a feminine kind of way. It's more of a masculine kind of way. Or I won't say masculine, unisex. This is different because this is something that's more this is not his normal style. This is kind of mass appealing. And I just said that most of his fragrances are different from most things that you're going to smell on the market, but this one, just smelling it on the paper, I'm not talking about on the skin, this smells like Myself by YSL. To me, I'm gonna have to try it on skin. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it today because I don't have enough skin and I have a fragrance on already, so it's probably not gonna do well. So just for right now, let's just I'm gonna put this one to the side and I'll come back to it in a minute. But first smell, it kind of smells like myself from YSL. This next one up, this one is Chemistry. Oh, as in Kim, as in the city or country or inside Africa. Maybe that's what it's for. I'm not sure, but here's the name right here. Chemistry. And let's get a sprayer. Oh, let's take the tape off and see what this one smells like. Okay, 2 little sprays. Oh, this is nice. Now this is more like his style. This one smells a little bit more artistic. I smell it's like some oud, but oud is coming up now. But that first blast, it smelled like something else. Wait a minute, let me see if I can get that scent back again. Yeah, it's some kind of floral, sweet, almost candied, kind of like a nut kind of thing, but it's floral and it's sweet. This is nice, but I can smell some oud or something dense, something really, really dense coming up in the background. It smells like oud. It could be leather. Oh man, that is nice. Okay, that one is more his style, or maybe more my style. Okay, and let's check out this last one. This last one, I probably should have looked at the names before. Okay, so the next one up is this one here. It is called Italiano Africano. Okay, Italian African. All right. Let's see what this one smells like. Maybe it's going to have a vibe of Italian balls. Let's see. Ooh, this one smells like, wow, this is nice. This smells more vegetable and also maybe a little herbal, vegetable, herbal, maybe a little medicinal. That opening, it kind of reminds me a little bit, like it maybe have oregano or something like that, or maybe tomato leaf or something like that. But it reminds me a little bit of Signature by Savoir Faire. It doesn't smell like it. It just, that initial blast is kind of reminded me of the Signature when it first opens up. But now it's getting more of sweet now, almost candied. All of these kind of have a sweeter vibe to it. All of these are more mass appealing. Maybe the chemistry. Oh man, yeah. All right, let me grab notes and I'll go back over it and then I'm gonna let you go because I'm not gonna put these on skin. I'm not gonna be able to put these on skin because I just got too much stuff going on right now. I just opened the box and I didn't realize it was this. So, hold on a second. Hey, wait a minute. This is Will from the future. I had these fragrances for maybe about 5, 6, 7 days, something like that. And I wanted to wear them. Not completely wear them, but just have them on my skin instead of just wearing them on the paper. So I can give like a full, really how it really smells. Because I felt like I was doing the injustice just working off the paper. So, starting out with the Italiano Africano. Is that what it was called? Yeah, Italiano Africano. This one is the one that's probably the most buttoned up one. It's kind of a more of a formal kind of scent. It gives me kind of like a suit and tie, a older person kind of wearing it. Not that a younger person couldn't wear it, but it just gives off the energy of a put together man that's going to work and doing this thing. That's Africano Italiano. I got it upside down, but yeah. So, and then which one? I'm going to chemistry. Chemistry. This one here, is that name going to come in? There we go. Chemistry. This one, to me, is more of a kind of a mild kind of, almost like a date kind of vibe, because it comes off with this almost like a Egyptian kind of vibe to it, like a Middle Eastern, but not like a oudi, but it's more like a musky kind of vibe. When it's on your skin, it comes off like a musky kind of sexy kind of vibe. It almost comes off like a date scent, but it's not like a full out date scent. You could wear this during the day and and just to work or whatever. So yeah, this one is probably the mid one. The other one, I think, Oratory. I think in my in the review I was saying that this one kind of smelled like Myself. I still feel like it kind of smells like a little bit, when it gets on your skin, it smells a little bit different. But I do feel like it still smells a little bit like YSL, Myself, or Y. It's the most, this one is the most appealing. This is the most crowd grabbing. This one smells more like a designer kind of vibe, where it's really, really easy to wear. It doesn't smell exactly like Myself after I put it on my skin, but it's really close. It smells like a grown-up version of Myself. So I think most people will probably grab this one or lean towards getting Oratory, because it's just mass appealing. No one's gonna not like this fragrance. This is just an easy wear. The other ones, this one is more of a vibe. The Chemistry, this is more of a vibe. And I dropped it. Africano, Italiano Africano is more of a dress up kind of vibe. It's not like something that you just grab to go and play ball with your boys, So yeah. So I just wanted to jump in because I felt like I was doing a disservice just giving you the paper, way it smells on the paper. So anyway, back to the review. All right, so I'm back in, and I was thinking that I need to look up the notes. I forgot. He always provides the notes. So here are the notes. I will have these posted right here. You can stop and look at them for each one, the notes form. You can pause it if you like. But what I get from the fragrances, this first one, which one was this one? This was Auditory. This one, and another thing, this writing is reflective, so it's really hard to read. This one, to me, it smells really, really mass appealing. This one, if you're trying to get into Savoir Faire, this is a good one to grab, and it will be mass appealing. Most people are going to like it. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of Myself. It's changing a little bit. It's like Myself, maybe grown up a little bit. So that's that. And then the next one is Chemistry. Let's see if that name is going to come in again. Chemistry. And yeah, this one changed a little bit more. This one is it's coming up more earthy, like a little bit dirty. But you guys saw the notes. I don't know if it had oud in it or not, but it kind of has a earthy, kind of grindy kind of feel to it, but it still has that sweetness to it. Definitely not as sweet as the Oratory. So Chemistry. When I was saying Kim, I'm thinking Kemet, meaning the the Egyptian gods, Kemet. I don't know if that's what he was reaching for, but or not. But okay. And then the last one, this one here, Italiano Africano. Is that name gonna come in there? There we go. And okay, this one's starting to smell almost like candy for real. This is nice. This is a good one. This is probably, all of these are, no, this one is probably a spring and summer vibe. The oratory is probably a spring and summer vibe. This one, Chemistry, I'm thinking right now it's smelling like it's going to be like a spring and fall kind of vibe. So yeah, all right. I'm gonna put these on sometime, and I'm gonna do an update on them sometime soon, because this is just first impressions and how I feel for them and what it smells like. But I'm gonna have to put them on skin and actually try them out, and I gotta get back to you guys quick with that follow up with this video. All right, anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about the 3 new fragrances by Savoir Faire. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.